Ma'am, my name is you didn't take. Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am. I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, I can't hear you.
I also can't hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also can't hear you.
Okay, okay. No issues, no issues now. You are able to? You can hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, our today's topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, very good. Our today's topic, again, I'm going to repeat. Our today's topic is changes around us. Changes around us. And hopefully, you are looking at the slides, different types of slides. I share with you all. Please mute your sound, Vikhal. And if your camera is closed, that time I'm going to stop marking as a present. Okay? Please open your camera. Camera closed means I mark you as a absent today. Even though you are attending the class without camera, if you people are attending the class, you people are marking as absent. So please open your camera. So I want to see your faces. Okay, your presence is very important. Yes. So now back to the topic. You all observe the slides which I have shown? Yes or no? So is anybody can give some example of changes which you people are experience back of you or in your house? Is anybody can share their changes? Is yes, tell me. Is any change you are experience in your house? Zehra, what you are doing dear? Yes, Zehra, can you please give me? Husaina, you want to give?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you please tell me? Very good. Yes, Husaina, where are you? Yes. Any change you experience in your home?
Yes, like when I was of 1 year, my height was very small.
Okay.
Then now I am 11 years old, so my height is long.
Your height is long, means your height is increasing. You mean that you are increasing your height. Very good, very good, very good. I appreciate. Your answer is very good. Means your participate means your example is really very effective. Anybody else? Means Husaina, according to Husaina, the height is increasing. That is a change. Very good, Husaina. Thank you so much. Now next, who is going to say what changes you are observing around you? So many changes are there. Not only that, particularly to your personality. Suppose early in the morning you are getting up. Okay, you're getting up early in the morning. So many changes you are observing, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, many changes you are observing. It means one form to another form. You people are observing many changes. And look at the camera, please. No, don't. Nobody will see here and there.
ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please.
When I open the fan,
Yes.
it is cold, and when I do not open the fan, it is hot.
Yes. Very good. Very good. It's a
Ma'am,
change.
may I say?
Yes. Yeah. Please tell me.
Ma'am, when I was so little, when I went out, I feel fresh air. But now when I go out everywhere, it is dust and so many bad smells.
Yes. Because of the pollution, there are low, means a very bad smell, stinging. So many places means it's not hygiene properly. They are not taking care of hygiene. So because of that, change is coming in the atmosphere. Very good example, Nabil. Thank you so much. Anybody else? Anybody else? Very good. Children are understand the meaning of change. Very good. Means you people are aware of. Okay, so change means when something from one form to another form, from one location to another location, from one state to another state. Okay, it is going to transform. That is a change. Suppose early in the morning you people are on your bed. On your bed, it is normal. Okay, now you are moving from your bed and you're going either washroom or coming out from the bedroom. Means is a local change. Change of your, means your locality change, your locally your change from your bedroom to washroom. Your mother is making some food. So during that time also you can see so many changes are going on. Okay, first she took the water. Suppose she is making tea. So she is taking water. So water is what form? It is transparent form. Then she just put some tea leaves. So now it is going to make some tea. So it is also one change. Okay. Then suppose you are having wall clock. Wall clock, it was before 11:30. Now it is 12. What is the time now? It is 12:19. It is a change. So there are many types of change around you. Your people are observing, you people are seeing different types of change all the day, all the time. So actually, what are the change and who are responsible for these all change? So changes can occur everywhere at any time. Changes differ from each other. Example, sometime melting of ice, sometime burning of paper, sometime different type of changes are going on. So different types of changes which are occurring around us. It can be a reversible change, it can be an irreversible change, it can be chemical change, or it can be physical change. And even if you are standing in your kitchen, you will observe all type of changes which is going on. Suppose your mother peel off potato. When she will peel off the potato, you will see the potato color after 5, 10, 20 minutes, you will see a little bit brownish.
Black.
Then after some time, it will turns to black color. Okay, so if you want that, no, I want the color of potato back to its original, it is highly impossible. So means it is a irreversible change, which is not back to its normal. Okay, like that, if your mother is making some tea for you, she is preparing, and she put water plus tea leaves plus milk. So if you want, no, I want my water back. So it is highly impossible because it is not only the irreversible change, but it is a chemical change. Okay, you cannot. But if you will take out ice cube from your fridge and just keep in your kitchen on room temperature, so what will happen? Yes, after some time,
It will melt.
it will melt and convert into water. Now you want, no, I want again ice. So again you will put in your ice cubes and just keep in your refrigerator. Then water convert back to the ice. Means it is a reversible change. That is, yes, tell me. Okay, that is a physical change. Okay, so different type of changes we are observing around us. So now let me discuss the different type of changes which you people are seeing around you. Okay, so if you will see first change, okay, look at the screen, every one of you. On the basis of reversibility, there are two different type of changes we are seeing, like reversible change and irreversible change. Okay, reversible change.
Your voice is not coming.
Okay, reversible change, now it's coming. Hello. Now it is coming.
Yes, ma'am. It was
Okay.
coming first.
Okay, so again changes around us, as you can see. So on the basis of reversibility, the change can be of two types: reversible change and irreversible change. Reversible change means if you will take out ice from your fridge and keep on or keep at room temperature, so ice will convert into water. That is a reversible change. You can keep this water again back to the refrigerator and water will be converted back to the ice. Okay, on the other hand, if you will see the irreversible change, if you will take one paper and keep on the fire, the paper will be converted to ashes. Now you want back your paper, it is highly impossible. Okay, because these type of changes where the state of matter or state of particular thing totally change along with the chemical change, that is called as irreversible change, where you cannot convert it back into the normal, like burning of paper. Okay, once the paper will burn, you cannot take it back as a paper. So this type of changes on the basis of reversibility. Now the other change based on the speed. Okay, around you, you people are observing so many type of changes. So now we are going to see based on speed, sometimes fast speed, sometimes slow speed. If you are going on a bike with your father, so sometimes father will taking the bike or car very fast. Sometimes your father is taking that bike very slowly. So that is also a change. Okay, means sometimes very fast change is going on, sometimes very slow change is going on. Okay, so third type of change is based on the energy. Based on the energy means sometimes you will see exothermic. The base of energy, whatever type of changes we are observing, there are two different types of changes which occur on the basis of energy: exothermic and endothermic. Okay, exothermic changes are that type of changes where the energy, where the heat will absorb. Like if you will take out, suppose ice from your refrigerator, so ice will be converted into water. Means the energy will be that whatever the this you can say the heat or heat will be absorbed within the system. You understand what I mean? If you are not understand, please ask. Okay, means changes, whatever changes you are seeing on the basis of energy. Sometimes something you need to.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Now you can understand. You can hear.
No, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Okay. Now on the basis of energy, we can divide changes into two. Like if you are preparing your food or if you are keeping your ice from the fridge, so energy either be absorbed within the system or it will be going outside within the system. So if the energy will be going outside, that is the exothermic change. If the energy will be absorbed within the body, it is called as endothermic changes. Like if you will take out ice, conversion of ice from the water to the ice and from ice to the water. So it is called as exothermic and endothermic. If the energy or if the heat will be absorbed.
Ma'am, your voice is very slowly.
Now it is coming.
Yes.
Okay. If your suppose from the refrigerator you just take out, why I'm giving this example because it is very common example. So if the heat will be absorbed in that particular ice cube, so energy will be absorbed, so that change is called as endothermic change. Okay. And if
Ma'am, it is
yes,
again slow.
again it is slow, maybe some problem in your system, dear, just check your system. Okay, now basis on that energy, you understand every one of you that if ice will be converted into cubes and ice cubes and ice will be converted into water and water will be back to the ice, that is the exothermic and endothermic reactions. And these changes are different because in one system energy will be going outside, in this system energy will be absorbed. Now the changes around us based on the time interval, it can be time interval like you can see your wall clock, that periodic changes are going on. Even not only wall
Ma'am,
clock, you
ice
can
cream.
okay, yes. And sometime it
Ice
happens that
cream.
ice cream also very good, very good. And some changes like if you are seeing in your house, the sun is some other place, after some time sunlight is some other
Ma'am,
place. There is a periodic and non-periodic change. Okay,
ma'am,
then
we have to rejoin.
yes, you have to rejoin. Okay, now based on the use, some changes are desirable and some changes are non undesirable. Means like if you keep your apple outside and it will be spoiled, if you will keep your potato peel off and it will be spoiled, so it is not desirable change. Okay, it you feel very bad. Okay, so that is an undesirable change. Some changes you like that it should be changed, and that is called as desirable change. Now you can see in front of you some changes are there, that is reversible and irreversible change. In this case it is reversible or irreversible. Who is going to say?
Ma'am,
Suppose
again your voice is very slowly.
okay, yeah, means if you are
Ma'am,
going
your
Ma'am,
voice
to
is not
this
coming.
is coming slowly.
yes, Husaina, now it's coming.
Yes.
Okay, now this ice cream, if you will convert into your keeping on room temperature and it will convert into just like a juice, so you can take it back as an ice cream stick. If you will keep again this ice cream stick in this glass, so it will be back. So is it reversible change or irreversible change? Reversible change means which is back to its
Reversible.
yes, which is back to its normal. In this case, if you can see this chocolate, if it will melt, suppose you are buying one Cadbury and you keep on room temperature and this Cadbury melts, so again if you are keeping back to the fridge, it will be back to its normal. This is reversible change or irreversible change. This egg,
Reversible change.
it is reversible change. Why?
Because if we keep it in the fridge, it will again be of that shape only.
No, if you will break, means if you will open this egg, so can you please can you keep it back to the egg again?
No.
No,
So
ma'am, that's an
no,
irreversible change.
yes, that is irreversible change. In this case, if you will burn this wood, so it is reversible or irreversible?
Irreversible.
Irreversible, because you cannot get it back this wood. In this case, if rusting of these nails are going on, jo keele rehte hain, if it will happen, so it can be back to this.
No.
Golden.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
By
ma'am.
some chemical.
Very good. In this case,
Zang.
okay, where you can see this melting of.
Ma'am, again your voice is very slowly.
Okay, now it's coming.
Ma'am, your voice is
Yes,
slow.
ma'am.
Now it's okay. Okay. Yes, my voice is coming now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
Okay, so in this case, you can see here also if this melting of candle, yes, wax, if once it will be melt, it can be back.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now the next one which we are going to see here in this case, does it solidify, does it freeze? In this all cases, if you are keeping your Cadbury up,
Water
again
melt.
it's normal. This is also back to the normal. If
Good morning, ma'am.
yeah, good morning, good afternoon. Okay, this butter can be back to its normal if you are keeping back to the freezer or your refrigerator. That means whatever food, whatever changes, which is going back to its normal, where the state of a particular matter is changed, only state means जैसे कि आप ये कैडबरी देख रहे हैं, if you look at this Cadbury, if it will be melted, लेकिन ना तो उसका taste change होगा, only the state will change. In this case, only the taste will change and the state will change. State का मतलब क्या है? वो solid से liquid हो जाएगा, लेकिन अगर आप चाट के खाएंगे, if you are having that, so आपको taste वही लगेगा, मजा वही आएगा. So chemically it is not change. So that type of changes where state only change, only the state change, that is called as reversible change. Okay, does it melt? Does it vaporize? These all are you are seeing. That is, it can be back to its normal. Okay, in this case also, if you can see that same thing which we are going to repeat. Okay, even the boiling, evaporation and condensation, some process we are going to discuss in the next topics. Here also you can see that boiling, evaporation and condensation, these all are reversible change. Why boiling? You know what is the meaning of boiling? If you are keeping water, even the tea or even some liquids are going to boil, so it can be back to its normal, right? Okay. Evaporation also, अगर आप पानी को रखते हैं and it is going to evaporate and you will cover the lid, so your water will be back to its normal. That is a condensation. Okay. For example, if you could capture all the steam that is made when a kettle's boil, so in